So the last video was how long is the sun out for. Now we need to know how strong is the sun, okay? And it's going to be the same length. So if you click this link, you can see that it's the same thing. I already have it open right here. I'm going to come back to Rome. So remember, we change our locations by doing this. You're probably an expert at this by now. And remember that we're also using the 21st and time of noon, because noon is going to be the highest, strongest sun. Now that's also on average, just a tiny bit, because noon for us and noon for Buffalo is slightly different as far as solar clock goes, because we have time zones to average everything out and make things easy. But how strong is the sun is going to be based off of this angle. So you got to think of a little bit of math here. This blue line is coming down really steep. It's May 21st. The angle is going to be 67 degrees, 67.03. So we had to do a little fancy math to try to estimate for time. For this, we can just put the actual number. 67.03 is the angle on May 21st. So that's going to relate to how strong is the sun. The higher in the sky, the stronger the sun. So you're going to do the exact same things that you did before. You're going to change your month. June 21st, that is usually the first day of summer. That is the strongest sun that we will ever get in Rome, New York, on June 21st every year, 70.21 degrees. So I come over here and it's 70.21 degrees. All right, and if I just show you a couple more, you change these months around. The weakest sun, the lowest the sun gets, the shortest day, look at that angle. That is super low in the sky. The sun is only 23.39 degrees on December 21st. So 23.39 degrees on December 21st. So that's the shortest day and the lowest sun. The highest sun is June 21st. That's why we're using the 21sts for all of our days that we're checking. And then you just make sure you're going to see some significant changes here when you change to your different cities. Now, Ogunquit is the one that I used, right? So when I switch to Ogunquit, Maine, December 21st is now 23 degrees, 23.2 degrees for Ogunquit. So Ogunquit, 23.2, slightly lower than 23.2 than Rome, but we're probably at a pretty similar latitude because they have the same numbers. So pretty straightforward using that animation the second time through. So I don't know if I threw the vocab words out just in case. Angle of insolation is also strength of insolation. Insolation is sunlight, so how strong, how high up is the sun?